Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video I'll show you how to buy one single item off Alibaba. So yeah, you're probably having a problem where you can't actually purchase one, but there is a solution that you can do to get around that. Let me show you the easiest way. You can go to ready to ship. So you just want to go back to the home page. So just click here and click ready to ship. So all these products here are available to be shipped straight away. So you don't need to worry. All you got to do is click here and now click on the product that you want, and see right here, now you can actually add the quantity of how many you want. So you just want to click start order and this will come up and you just want to log in. So I'm just going to log in really quick. So once you have logged in, it will bring you to this page. As you can see, it has it here and the price is right here, and it's giving me shipping fee. So depending on what shipping method you want, you just want to click it, but this one only has one option, but yours could have a few. And then you just want to put your credit card and add a new card to pay, and then you do that. And if you need to put additional notes in, you just put that in, and if you want you could read all this. But let me show you another way, because sometimes it doesn't give you the option for quantity. So let's go back to here, and now we want to click a product. So maybe we click new arrivals right here, and we click here, and now we click this one. This one has quantity, so I can't show you this one. So let me try to find one. Let's see. Maybe this one. Let's go here. This one doesn't have it as well. Let's go here. Let's find one. Let's find this one here. Yeah, so this one's a perfect one. So you can't actually get, you can only get 1,000 pieces, and yeah, sometimes you just want to get one. So the best way to do this is actually click on contact supplier, and once you contact supplier, you can send them a message saying, hey, I want to try this product before I purchase a lot. So you know, because these are suppliers trying to sell a big dispatch at once. So if you just ask if you want to test out a product, they'll be able to send you one. You just have to pay for the shipping. So that's pretty much it for today's video. If you did enjoy, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. Peace.